All right, continuing setting up our Ztto 11 to 50 11-speed lightweight cassette. So let's call this outboard and this inboard. So when we're setting up our derailleur, we want the cogs. We want this cog right here that I'm turning, and this cog, the 11-tooth cog right there, the smallest one on the far outboard. So we want this derailleur cog to sit just outboard of this. So we want it lined up like right there. And that seems to give us our best chain line. So we might need to move it out just a little bit. And then we're gonna take this, pull it down and all the way out. It's gonna be kind of hard to do one-handed here. So getting our chain line out. So again, that top pulley cog wheel, we want that in line. You see how that's a little bit outboard of the 50-tooth cog? So we want it, that one we want to line up basically perfectly, because if not, we're gonna have backpedaling issues. You're gonna have the chain kind of pulling on the teeth all the time. Oh, you look beautiful, sweetie. So let me make the adjustments and we'll do another video.